In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to change your TikTok username. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. How to change TikTok username? Open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on edit profile and click on username. You can change your username from here. Your username can be changed once every 30 days. After every 30 days, you have to change your username from this by moving to the profile and editing profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.